Okay, so first of all, I have here a document which is just plain text, and I want to change the headings in this document into numbered academic headings in order to create chapters, sections, and subsections. So first of all, I have here heading 1 and heading 2, but I want more options than this. So I'm going to go to Styles and then Manage Styles and then Recommend, and I'm going to select heading 2 and I'm going to change this to Show. Then heading 3 and change that to Show as well. And I could have up to 9 different heading styles here, but I'm only going to use the first 3. Then I'm going to select OK and then close this. And now I have heading 1, 2 and 3 here. Now I'm going to select this and define new multi-level list. Then I'm going to select more here so I can see all of my options, and I'm going to start setting up the format that I want. So I don't want it to look like this. I want the first level to be chapters. So I'm going to write chapter, and then I want the chapters to be numbered 1, 2, 3. Then I don't want to have any indents in any of my levels, so I'm going to change these to 0 and then OK. And I want this to be followed by a space, so before the title there'll be a space. Then I'm going to link this to heading 1. So whenever I select heading 1, it will show me this format. And I'm going to change the font. So I'm going to make it Times New Roman and bold and size 16. And then I want it to be black. Then OK. Then I'm going to select level 2, and I want for these to be my sections, so I want to show the number of the chapter that I'm in, and then a full stop, and then the number of the section, and I want this to be followed by a space again before the title, and this I'm going to link to heading 2, and then I'm going to select the font again and make it Times New Roman and bold, and a size 10 this time, and then black, then OK. Then I'm going to select level 3, and I want this to show the chapter and then a full stop, then the section and a full stop, and then the number of the subsection. I want this to be followed by a space. I'm going to link this to heading 3, and then I'm going to make the font the same again. So bold, size 10, and then black. Then OK. And OK again. And now I have the chapter 1 part, but I need to change the text in the actual title. So I'm going to make it Times New Roman and bold and black, and then I want for there to be a space afterwards as well. Then I'm going to make sure I'm selected somewhere in here, and I'm going to go to heading 1 and right click and update heading 1 to match selection. Then anytime I select heading 1, it will change it to be in this format. But I obviously don't want that to be a chapter. I want this to be heading 2, and I need to update the format again for this. So I'm going to make it bold and black, and then add a space afterwards, and then I can do the same thing again, select in here, and then right click here and update heading 2 to match selection. Then if I scroll down, I can change this to heading 2 and this to heading 2. Then this will be my first subsection and will be heading 3. And then I need to update this format as well. So I'm going to make it size 10 and bold and black. And then I'm going to add a space afterwards. And then I'm going to right click to update heading 3 to match selection. Then this will also be heading 3, and this will also be heading 3, and heading 3, and then the results will be heading 2, and then this will be heading 3. Now if I go to View and the navigation pane, I can see all of my sections listed, and if I click on any one of them, it will take me to that point in the document. I can also click on the little triangles here to open and close these sections, and I can also do this within the document. If I click here to open and close the section. Okay, and that is it.